Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Aurzen Smart Portable Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Smart streaming, built right in. Popular apps in one place, no streaming sticks. No switching inputs. Simply connect to Wi-Fi and explore Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more from one easy-to-use home screen. You can also enjoy free movies, shows, and live TV, making your first smart projector experience simple from day one. Bigger sound, built into the base. A 3x larger sound chamber gives audio more room to open up, delivering up to 2x the volume, wider coverage, clearer dialogue, and fuller vocals. Movies indoors. Music in the backyard. Relaxed nights at the outdoor campsite. Unlike the cramped speaker designs found in other mini projectors, the sound stays fuller and more comfortable to hear even when you turn it up. Stream with Wi-Fi Bluetooth both ways. Connect to Wi-Fi 2.4G/5G and stream your favorite content directly through built-in system, no extra streaming stick needed. Two-way Bluetooth 5.2 lets you send projector audio to compatible speakers or headphones, or play music from your phone or tablet through this mini projector. Send sound out. Bring sound in. Walls, ceilings, big screen, made easy. The built-in stand rotates 180 degrees, so you can project from a table, bedside surface, no extra stand required. A 1.1 by 1 throw ratio creates a flexible 40 to 120 inch picture from less distance, making big screen viewing easier in bedrooms, dorms, and smaller spaces. Auto vertical keystone correction helps square the image, while the top focus wheel lets you fine-tune clarity. Smooth casting and screen mirroring. Stream videos, photos, music, and live sports, or mirror your screen from a compatible iPhone, iPad, or Mac directly to the projector. No extra apps. Just tap, share, and enjoy it bigger. Mini size. Made to move. Grab the built-in strap and take it from the bedroom to the outdoor or over to a friend's place. Its compact, rounded design looks right at home wherever it lands. Portable. Giftable. A smart gift they'll actually use for everyday entertainment. Dust cleaning kit included. For optimal image quality, inspect the lens every 3 months and use the mini projector in a low dust space. If black spots appear, refer to the included cleaning kit and the video guide. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.